Life's a bit of a balancing act, isn't it? Deadlines, errands, and the occasional curveball can make finding time for art difficult. Add the pressure to create perfect art, and creativity goes out the window. But what if we flipped the script? In this class, we're shedding the expectations of perfection and rediscovering the joy of creating for the sake of creating. We'll talk about getting in the right headspace, letting go of control, creating the right conditions to enter flow state, that magical place where things just happen. We'll then continue with a simple exercise to loosen up, get out of our heads, and continue with a simple illustration. The beauty of creativity is that you can work with whatever you have on hand, whether that's pen and paper, paint, clay, or a digital tablet. This is about the process, not the tools or the result. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just holding a pencil for the first time, you'll find something in this class. So grab whatever medium speaks to you and let's have fun.